Welcome to this demonstration of extensible authorization for Windows Server 2012 using XACML policies and Axiomatics to convert XACML into SDDL. With Axiomatics, it is possible for administrators to define authorization policies from a single point of management using the XACML standard. These policies are then passed to a policy decision point. This is called centralized policy management. An end user during the course of the day will access different types of applications. It is possible to apply the same consistent authorization to all of these applications using the same authorization policies. It's possible to extend the reach of extensible authorization. Axiomatics Policy Server can now translate XACML policies into the format expected by Windows Server 2012. This format, SDDL, enables dynamic access control on files and folders within the file server. As a result, it is possible to apply the same consistent fine-grained authorization across an enterprise's entire set of applications and file servers. Let's now get the demo rolling. Let's start by writing a XACML policy using the Axiomatics Policy Administration Point. What we are looking at is a pre-built XACML rule which yields a permit and applies to users in the engineering department, users that have a high level of clearance, and resources that also belong to the engineering department and resources that are labeled as having a high impact. This is the rule that we are going to convert to SDDL by simply right-clicking on the policy and converting to SDDL here. Let's now go inside Windows Server 2012 and associate the converted SDDL policy to the relevant folder. Let's have a look at the properties of the IP docs folder. Let's click on Properties, let's go to the Security tab, let's go to Advanced, and let's go to the Central Policy tab. Here, we can associate our folder and all the files and folders inside to the XACML policies file. This is the SDDL policy that was converted from XACML. To conclude this demonstration, let's walk through the authoring of the policy from XACML to SDDL again. In the PAP client, we set the effective permit and we create the target with the relevant attributes defined and their values. This is the representation of the policy from a XACML perspective. Notice the effect permit and all the attributes being matched. Once the policy is converted to SDDL, this is the view that is presented to us in Windows Server 2012. Notice the different attribute matches. Finally, we could have a look at the source of the SDDL. Thank you for watching this demo.